Today's lesson is about equation of tangents and normals. Let's go over the definition of the first derivative. The first derivative is the instantaneous rate of change. That means slope or gradient of a function at a point. In other words, the slope of tangent line equals the first derivative. Let's check a tangent line and a normal line. We already know that slope of a tangent line equals the first derivative. Then we can use y minus y1 equals the slope x minus x1 to get the equation of a tangent line like this. For equation of a normal line, we know from slope of tangent line how you go to slope of a normal line. Remember two steps: opposite and a reciprocal. For example, if a slope of a tangent line is 2, then slope of a normal line will be opposite -2, reciprocal will be -1/2. If a slope of tangent line is a -3, then slope of a normal line will be 1/3. If a slope of a tangent line is a 5/7, then slope of a normal line will be -7/5. Let's go to guided practice 1. Find the equation of a tangent line to the given curve at the stated point P. Give your answers of the form y equals mx plus b. So for A, we are given this is x1, y1. We need to get the slope of tangent line. That will be the derivative equals x, do the derivative, minus 6x squared, we do derivative, minus 7, we do derivative. So we get the 1 minus, remember the power rule, drop down and minus 1. So we have 12x. Constant number will be 0. Then slope of tangent line equals f prime of 3. So we plug 3 into this derivative function to get the slope. 1 minus 12 times 3 equals -35. Therefore, we get the y plus 58 equals -35 times x minus 3. We do distributive property here. Y plus 58 equals -35x plus 105. Then subtract 58 both sides. You will get the y equals -35x plus 47. Now let's go to B. Y equals 2/3x squared plus 4x minus 1. When P equals -1, 11/3. So we will have a slope of a tangent line equals y prime. We do this derivative, and a derivative. This is y prime. So we have a 4/3x plus 4. This will be 0. Here's your x1, y1. Then slope of tangent line equals f prime of -1. So we have 4/3 times -1 plus 4. When you put into calculator, you will get the 8/3. 3. So use the point slope linear function. We will get the y minus 11 over 3 equals 8 over 3 x plus 1. We do distributive property. You will get 8 over 3x plus 8 over 3. This part is y minus 11 over 3. We want to get the y equals form, so you have to add 11 over 3 both sides. Therefore, we get the y equals 8 over 3x plus 19 over 3. Let's go to second question. Find the equivalent of a tangent line to the given curve at the stated point. Give your answer of the form ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Check A. You get the x1, y1. Still, I need the slope of a tangent line. That is the derivative. So we get the 24x to the negative third power. Do the derivative. You will get the 24. Drop down minus 1. Minus 1, that will be x to the negative fourth power. So we have negative 72 over x to the fourth power. Then we plug in. That's the f prime of 2. This is 2. So you get the negative 72 over 2 to the fourth power. You can put into calculator. You will get negative 9 over 2. So we can write down the equation now. Y minus 3 equals negative 9 over 2 times x minus 2. So we are looking for this form. A, B, C. This is integers. Therefore, you have to get rid of this denominator 2. So we multiply by 2 both sides. You will get 2y minus 6 equals distributive property negative 9x plus 18. Then move everything to the left side. Remember, you need to change the sign. So you get the ax plus 2y minus 6 minus 18 equal to 0. 9x plus 2y minus 24 equal to 0. This will be the final answer. Now let's go to B. Still, I need the slope of tangent line equals the derivative. That is 6. We do derivative minus 9 times x to the negative second power. We do derivative. So we get, this is 0. Negative 9 times negative 2. X to the negative third power. Negative 18 x to the third power. Then slope of tangent line equals derivative of f of negative 1. So you get the negative 18 times negative 1 third power equals 18. We can write down the linear function now. Here's your x1, y1. So we get the y plus 3 equals 18 times x plus 1. So we do distributive property. Since there's no fraction, therefore we only do the distributive property 18x plus 18, y plus 3. So move everything to the left side. You will get negative 18x plus y plus 3 minus 18 equal to 0. Combine like terms, negative 18x plus y minus 15 equal to 0. Sometimes they need a coefficient of x is a positive. In that case, you just need to divide by -1, both sides. You will get the 18x minus y plus 15 equal to 0. This will be the final answer. Let's go to 3. Find the equation of normal to the given curve at the stated point P. Give your answers on the form ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Let's go to A. You get the y equals x plus 5 times 2x minus 7. P given 3 negative 8. First of all, you need to do the FOIL. Y equals 2x squared minus 7x plus 10x minus 35. So we have 2x squared plus 3x minus 35. Then we go to slope of tangent line equals derivative. 2x squared, we do derivative, plus 3x, we do derivative, minus 35, do the derivative. You will get the 4x plus 3. Constant number is 0. Therefore, slope of tangent line equals f prime of 3. We plug in here. 4 times 3 plus 3 equals 15. That's the slope of tangent line. Since we need a normal, so we have a slope of a normal line equals opposite reciprocal will be -1 over 15. So we can write down the equation y plus 8 equals -1 over 15 times x minus 3. Since I'm looking for ax plus by plus c equal to 0, get rid of this denominator. We do multiply by 15 both sides. Distributive property 15y plus 120 equals, here's a -1, you have to do distributive property -x plus 3. To move everything to the left side, you get the x plus 15y plus 120 minus 3 equal to 0. X plus 15y plus 117 equal to 0. This will be the final answer. Let's go to B. We need to figure out the slope of tangent line. That's the derivative of this y. So you will get x4, we do derivative, minus 3 times x to the -2nd power derivative, minus 1, we do derivative. So we get, drop down -1, that's 4x third power, minus 3 times -2, x to the -3rd power. This is 0. Organize 4x third power plus 6 over x third power. Then slope of tangent line equals f prime of -1. So we plug in here 4 times -1 third power plus 6 -1 third power. You will get -10. Since I'm looking for the equation of a normal line, so the slope of a normal line equals opposite and a reciprocal of -10 is 1 over 10. So we have y plus 3 equals 1 over 10 x plus 1. First of all, we need to get rid of this 10. We multiply by 10 both sides. You will get the 10y plus 30 equals x plus 1. Then move everything to the left side. -x plus 10y plus 30 minus 1 equal to 0. Combine like terms, -x plus 10y plus 29 equal to 0. If we want the coefficient of x is positive, we can divide by -1. So we have x minus 10y minus 29 equal to 0. This will be the final answer. For question 4 and question 5, I will use a graphing calculator to show you how to do this kind of questions. Now go to 6. The gradient of the tangent to the curve y equals kx squared minus 4x plus 5 at the point P of 3b is -1. Find the value of k and that of b. First of all, the keywords tangent is -1. That means f of this is 3. F prime of 3 equals -1. So we need to figure out the f prime of x doing this. That is kx squared, we do derivative, minus 4x derivative plus 5, we do derivative. You will get 2kx minus 4. This will be 0. Then we plug 3 into this derivative function. You will get the 2k times 3 minus 4. We will set up equal to -1. Then solve this linear function for k. You will get 6k minus 4 equals -1. So 6k equals to 3. Add for both sides. K equals 3 over 6. That is 1 over 2. Then we're looking for this b. Need to check here. 3b, which means b equals f of 3. Therefore, we will plug in b equals. We plug 3 into this function. And k that is 1/2 already. 3 squared minus 4 times 3 plus 5. You will get -5 over 2. You will get the b equals -5 over 2.